Remember when I told you in my full option abacha video how we used to wrap abacha with leaves before eating it in my grandma's house? With this recipe, I have decided to take that further by making abacha wraps. Our very own abacha taco, the best appetizer for you and your guests. You will need abacha. I have a video for how to make abacha from scratch from cassava tubers. Link to every video I'll refer to will be below. Dry cayenne pepper to your taste, ehu, calabash nutmeg. Please watch my full option abacha video. I go into more detail about how to peel ehu and grind it. Crayfish, habanero pepper. This is just to add a red color to the wraps because the cayenne pepper is enough for us. Ukpaka or ugba, shredded oil bean seeds. Red palm oil, red onions. For the leaves, garden egg leaves are what we use in Nigeria, but I'll be using these bold spinach leaves. Leafy spinach is so close to garden egg leaves. You won't believe how close they taste when used in these traditional recipes. Look for spinach that is as bold as your palm. Salt, smoked mackerel. I made this myself. I have a detailed video on how to make smoked mackerel in your kitchen. Ogiri Igbo. This is Igbo traditional seasoning made from castor seeds. It goes well with abacha. If you do not have it, use seasoning cubes or bouillon cubes. There's no akawun, ungo, or baking soda. I'll be making the ncha without any of the usual reagents. First, we soak the abacha. Dip it in water briefly for at most 5 minutes. Remove and put in a sieve to drain and absorb the water. Prepare the rest of the ingredients. Debone and break the smoked mackerel into thin strands. Slice the habanero pepper like so. Slice the onions. I have thoroughly washed the spinach. For the ones I'll use as wrap, I slice off the thick end of the stalk for easy fold. Cut up some into thin slices. Then make the ncha. Pour a small quantity of boiled hot water into a bowl. This is water that just came to a rolling boil, godo levels. Whisk the water while slowly adding the palm oil and watch the chemical reaction take place. See? Curdled. Add the crayfish, dry pepper and ehu. Mix well and add the ogiri. Mix, mix, mix. Add the abacha and mix till everything is well combined. Add salt to taste and it's time to make the abacha wraps. Lay 1 or 2 leaves on a board or flat plate. Add the ingredients one after the other, arranging them lengthwise the leaf. Abacha. ukpaka or ugba, the sliced leaves, pepper, smoked fish, onions. Fold and pin with a toothpick. You can also serve it in a taco holder if you have it. To make it more enjoyable, you can let your guests make their own abacha tacos. I mean, set out the ingredients individually and let them make it by themselves. Fun. Serve with chilled drinks, especially palm wine, palmy. Click the video on the right to watch the full option abacha video. What? Aye. Ah. On a tunnel, mukbang time.